What's going on, people? How we doing? How we doing? It is Friday, start of December. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning, everyone out there. I'm potentially gonna go long right here. If we can get this higher low filled. All right, we're in this trade. I'm looking to take out this high right here, 45.69. We had the strong move down, break, couple legs to a new low. Strong push through the EMA, higher low right here. So that's why I went long. Let's see if we can get a scalp. Looks like we got stopped out though. But basically what I saw, we had this move down, break, two pushes to a new low, double bottom here, strong push above the EMA. I saw that nice higher low, took it, but unfortunately starting the day off with a losing trade. How you doing, Kevin? How you doing, man? So what happens? A lot of traders got trapped at the same point. That's why we're having this another swing down. But yeah, I guess so. Yeah, technically it was a second entry short. So yeah, that's why. I mean, that's why it was a trap. It was a long trap for sure. But it happens. It happens. I mean, usually the higher lows, you don't want to see two bearish bars leading into it. That's the main point of concern right there. Usually a higher low forms right after you break above that EMA. So I would have loved to see it kind of form right here. But as soon as we had two bearish bars leading into it, I should have stayed out. Possible we're getting a failed second entry long. Not quite, not quite. But let's see if this channel we got ends up taking us back to the top side and we end up trading off of it. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, looking back at this trade, I should have definitely not taken it because of these couple bearish bars leading up to it. But then again, I mean, it was a clear downtrend. We had the break of the structure, move to a new extreme. I mean, we had a ton of bullish bars in a row. Broke through the EMA with little resistance. So I thought we'd at least come and take out this swing high right here, this 45.69 area, but we didn't, so we move on. Yeah, Powell Day today, got a lot of news announcements coming up. We got news in about 10 minutes and then more at the start of the next hour. Then the hour after that is when Powell's speaking, so a lot of things going on today, news-wise. I want to see one more push up, then a rejection. But compared to where we were yesterday, we're just in the middle of it. So might trade all the way down to 44 or 45, 44. We'll see. Might be a nice short entry. Might be a nice short entry incoming. It would be a second entry short if we can close bearish here. Maybe on the next one. Maybe on the next bar. What's up, Ryan? What's up, Ryan? I just saw your comment on the live stream from 2 days ago. I don't know why I didn't see it before. I didn't get any notification, but just responded to it. How you doing, man? Michals Walters. Welcome in. Where you from? Where you from? Yeah, we wait in CE. It might come right now. Might come right now, or we might just be having this little range now. Which honestly does look pretty valid. So now I'd ideally like to see a higher low. Latvia? Nah, I mean, everyone's heard of Latvia. It's not like we don't know where it is. But welcome in, man. What time's it in Latvia right now? Yeah, so we're getting a ton of support at this 45.63, 45.62 level. So a higher low here would just signal the bears are in the market, trying to push it back up. Here's that higher low, but I'd like to see it actually come to the EMA. We're not quite getting that. So hopefully we can now take out 45.69, maybe even take out 45.70, the swing high, and then work back lower. Potentially, but it's early. It's early. 4:38 p.m. Okay. That's what I thought. Sometime in the afternoon. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so we're stalling a little bit here. We're stalling a little bit. Got a doji bar hovering above the EMA. Just getting a little stacked. Yeah, so now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stacked bars. Looks like we're trying to go higher. Here we're matching that 45.69 as we were calling out. But man, maybe. Alright, there's that push up. But maybe the range is something like this. Might sneak in a little short here if we can get it. I'm looking to take this as a failed breakout. Honestly, maybe we're just headed higher. Yeah, we're pushing high. You went long CE 45.68 right over here. Yeah, not a bad trade. Not a bad trade at all. All right, so here's a potential failed breakout. It's just tough to tell if this move up is valid. It looks, I mean, it looks pretty sustainable. It looks like we got some bulls in the market, but at the same time, we do have some resistance at this area. I'm gonna stay out just because it does look like a nice push up. It does look like this trend is in play. I'm gonna wait if we can get a break and a new extreme of it before taking any short. Top step rules, order flow charts. How can you send me a private message? You can click the Discord link in the description, and then you can send me a Discord chat if you want. All right, yeah, so it looks like prices are trying to take out these stops here, 71.50. If we break above that area, then it might be time to get rejected and go back down. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Mihails, how did you find the channel? Is it your first time watching the stream? How'd you find the channel? I'm curious. Yeah, exactly. See, yeah, we're trying to get that new high, but there's some hesitation. Got a lot of sideways stacked bars, but whoever went short, enticed by this bearish looking bar, they're shaking right now. They're shaking. So I'd like to see us break above, push above, and then reassess. Yeah, so let's see if we take out those stops. Yep, and there we go. All right, and some news just came out as well. So it's a reason for some little volatility right here. So let's see if we draw an overall range. So midline is right at about, let's call it 45.75. It's really 45.74, but 45.75 is a potential target to where we might get to, and then might work back lower, but we'll see. You just joined today. All right. Well, Today is going to be actually the last day we're streaming for a while because I'm going to Brazil. I'm going to Brazil tomorrow for the next 10 days. So I'm going from the 2nd to the 12th. So the stream's going to resume after the 12th. But after the 12th, we'll be back. Yeah, I got to check it out. Arraial do Cabo. Am I planning to trade till Christmas? Man, I'm planning to trade for a long time. But I mean, when Christmas comes, I don't know. I mean, the market's gonna slow down for sure right around Christmas. But I mean, I'm going on vacation for the next 10 days. So after those 10 days, I'll be back streaming. Might take some trades out in Brazil, but not gonna have time to stream. Okay, so we had this channel up. We got the break of it. Trying to test that high, trying to get to 73.25. Let's see if we get it. So we're getting rejected at this area we had in the overnight session. We got a lot of resistance just from the close of yesterday and leading into the overnight. So we're getting a lower high here, but prices are either going to go down or come back, test this 73 level. Looks like we might be headed down right now though. We rejected right off the 5-minute point of control. Okay. I used to use volume. For a short period, I used order flow or like bookmap. But I mean, you can also just tell from kind of what's happening right now. I mean, I just look at it as we have significant area of stagnation here from yesterday. And yeah, looks like we might be getting rejected right now. All right, so we took that short. It looks like a failed second entry long. Nice bearish bar, lower high. But shit, bars are so stacked. Got a little trigger happy right there. Got a little trigger happy for sure. Yeah, went short when the bars were so stacked. Not advisable. Man, yeah, I should not have taken that short. I mean, we're still alive, but looks like we might get stopped out. We'll see. Maybe we'll come all the way down here. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not too confident. Yeah, very, very stacked. I know DBK. I was a little trigger happy. I just ignored it. We hadn't even taken out 73.25 after this move up break. We're expecting that new high as well. I'm gonna just try to get out for break even if we can even do that. Let's see DBK. Yeah, give me some bread. I mean, hopefully we can even get out for break even. Still, it's not looking too likely. Yeah, we're taking out here. Man. Oh man. Alright. Yeah, two stacked. I should not have taken that. My bad. I mean, look at this. Clear range. Clear range. No reason to take that. So I'm not seeing the market right now. And I do have a rule. 2 losses, done for the day. So I'm gonna call it right there. Not gonna force anything else. And yeah, I'm gonna go out of computer. quick trading day today, 2 losses, but it happens. And I mean, it sucks, but it happens. And we'll be back later. We'll be back on the 12th. We'll be back on the 12th. Hope to see you then, but I'm gonna take a break from trading for a little bit. And that's gonna be it. Yeah, I definitely want to follow the rules. If you guys can like the video on your way out, have a great weekend, and we'll be back streaming in about 10 days.